Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to get into the waitlist on self-service. Waitlisting is like getting in line to register for a class that's already full. First, we're going to try to register for the class as usual on self-service. We're going to go ahead and add to cart. If this section is full, you'll get a notification that the section has a waitlist. Just go ahead and add the section. Now we're going to go back to the home, My Academics, and just make sure it's the correct semester, and you should be able to see it on your screen. Next, click on the blue button to add yourself to the waitlist. Once the class is added, you'll see the waitlist number. This number shows your position in line. If the class starts and you're still on the waitlist, attend the first meeting, or if it's an online class, send an email to the professor letting them know you would like to be added to the class. If you need further assistance regarding this process, please watch our how-to videos previously posted. You can also contact the Transfer and Career Center at 909-389-3399.